tell me.
It looks beautiful, right? I love it. Let me see. Let me see. And where is this tuna from?
It's from Alonso's.
Okay. Oh my God,
It's
that's so
local
good.
fish.
All right. Good choice. Good choice. Let's venture out. Final night here on the island. I have good news. First of all, it began with bad news. A snake. A snake invaded the nest. So, my reaction was the housekeeper wouldn't open up the door. She says she's afraid of snakes. If you let me inside, I can get the stick.
Snake.
And I was able to get the snake off.
Look.
I know.
He's cold.
That being said, the baby's dead. I felt bad for I know it's nature. It's just unnatural. The mom is out and about because not all the babies died. There's either one or two in there, and it's peeking out. So, anyway, we saved the nest. Yes, there's a casualty, but we saved the nest. You did good. Anyway, we did good. It's okay. I'm leaving tomorrow. I can't be responsible for everybody, but I am scouring the ceiling for snakes. Hello. Remember me? I saved your other baby. Just to let you know. I'm happy. Listen, you can't save every baby, but you can save one. Let's drive. Come on. It is the final night here. Anyway, let's drive. Dear DJI, this is a problem. Ooh, it's still hot. Your expensive piece of electronics, right, has to cool off in a cave. I'm gonna put that on my Instagram right now. These people are gonna jump when they realize that the YouTube channel that very few people watch and the Instagram page where everybody asks, how's Meatball? Oh my God, they're gonna leap to fix this problem. Come on, no more timeout. No more timeout for me. No, let's go. Come on. What's going on? Come on, Bobo. Come on. Come on. It's okay. It's okay, Bobo. Come on. Okay. That's the dog from yesterday. Huh? I don't have anything. I've seen you a couple times. I know, sweetie. So that's the dog from yesterday. I saw him up on the street. I was lucky enough to just launch this. Here comes the dog. He might have cut. This is scary. So, or he just ignored me. He's turning me down. The drone might have scared him. The drone, which I took down because of the dog. Okay, you know what? He's happy. He's safe. He's off the highway. So, there are people down here. You know, the kindness of strangers. That's enough. I was stood up. Stood up on a blind dog date. Stood me up. Came over, saw my profile, wasn't sure, took a look at me in person and went, pass. Swipe.